Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia had a public meltdown on her Facebook Live.
14,000 actual views and 2.8k shares. So, sikat na makaayo. Dr. Candy Krista Abrera Pilapil. General practice, 2 years. Dr. Lani Ray Sito. General practice, ambot lang pila ka years.
Garcia publicly shamed Dr. Candy Krista Abrera Pilapil. The lady doctor questioned this memorandum, encouraging employees of the provincial capital to perform toob or steam inhalation as protection against COVID-19. Garcia showed the doctor's Facebook profile and challenged her to run in the elections.
O bitaw, kay ikaw, sa may nahimo nimo. Ha? Ikaw dahil gusto ka, sunod. Kung nakatamay muna mo, dagan. Okay ra kayo. Kasi mas kamao ka. Mas kamao ka aning aerosolization. Dagan sunod. Kay ngingig man ka aming mga leaders. Ako nakatamay ka nako, wag yoy nagbuot nimo. Dagan sunod. Ha? Dr. Candy Krista Abrera Pilapil, General Practice, 2 years, UCMed.
The lady governor called the doctor a know-it-all as Cebu province emerges as the new epicenter of the local COVID-19 outbreak.
Between you and other doctors whom I have talked to, including Dr. Jimmy Bernadas, Regional Director of DOH, at totoo nila, kaya mas taas naman sila experience. Ikaw, mura man lang, mo pa imong mo pa man tingali ni mo pagka-graduate, pero si Kapa na ni mo, uy, hawag na kakaayo. You're too proud, eh.
Cebuanos took it as an embarrassing move.
Thank you for watching Politica TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.